Hey, morning everybody. Steve and Brandy here, and we are out at Shenanigans today in Alamitos Bay. Here is the lovely Brandy standing behind me. We are cleaning her for the first time since October. Since June.
Since June.
Yeah, we spent more time in Florida this year than we thought we were going to. So Shenanigans got a little neglected. Here is the boat. Of course, I'll add a little bit more into the videos with this, but she's in the slip here in Alamitos Bay and getting ready to do some cleaning. And Brandy usually takes the lead in this. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So
again, we're going over the detail thing.
I may have a lack of detail when it comes to the type of things that she wants done right. So anyway, so we're going to clean up the boat here, and I'll walk you through it as we go through. It's Monday morning on the docks out here, and Brandy is over washing the boat, and the Kraken is going at it today. He's starting the week off right, hitting the hose strong. And I know I'm just starting this video now, but he's been at this for about 25 minutes. So he's going to be using the restroom a few times today with all the water that guy has taken in. But it's a beautiful Monday, starting it out here on the docks. Brandy's out there doing a little cleaning, and it's kind of overcast, which is keeping it nice and cool, and Kraken is staying nice and wet. Have a great day. Boy, she's got some dirt on her. You can kind of see, we probably should have taken the line up there, but
Yeah, when I go back there, I'll pick it up.
boy, look at all the dirt there.
I feel so bad. She's such a mess right now.
Shenanigans is a really good boat.
I love her.
Yeah, and yeah, we probably shouldn't let her get this way very often.
Well, everybody knows the boat.
It's rough.
There's a money pit, and if there's two of them, you got to do everything on both of them. And we've had to alternate years of who gets the budget for what gets done. And this year we had to put off Shenanigans, getting some other stuff done for Motorboater to get her ready for this season. So next year is Shenanigans' year. She's going to get bottom paint.
Maybe a whole paint.
Maybe a whole paint. You know, definitely new deck paint. And I would love to get a new Dodger and Bimini and stuff made for her, but
Yeah.
I'll do all that planning when we're in the Bahamas.
There's a lot of work to be done, and you're right, having two boats is rough on the pocketbook.
It is rough on the pocketbook. There's no question. So it's all right. It'll all get done. It's just a matter of, you know, taking turns, as I say.
Shenanigans is actually our first big boat out here in California. She's a 36-foot Islander I-36.
Yeah.
Great design inside. And then shortly after that, maybe a couple years after that, we bought Motorboater, and Motorboater is out in Florida, and we kept her in West Palm Beach for a little while. Now she's up in Cape Canaveral, and you know, and we move her back and forth from Cape Canaveral out to the Bahamas for 6 months out of the year, and then come back in, and then we spend the summers out here on Shenanigans. So yeah, having two boats is an awful lot of effort, and it's a lot of this kind of stuff every single day. And if you'd like an update on Kraken, he is still over there going at it, and he will be for quite a while longer.